Hi everybody. So guys, home security is very important nowadays, and I'm gonna describe some do-it-yourself home security setup that you can do on your budget in Canada. So guys, home security is paramount nowadays because of the obvious reasons around the world, but it should not be something that should break your bank. So I'm gonna show you some practical do it yourself tips to secure your home in Canada without expensive gadgets. So, what are the things you need? I'm going to describe and some other important factors too. So, first of all, you must look for door and window locks. Upgrade old locks with reinforced deadbolts so that for anyone breaking them is not going to be easy. Window locks and security bars in vulnerable areas are also very important. Second point is use smart cameras on a budget. Affordable Wi-Fi cameras are available that can monitor very sensitive areas like entrances, and many are easy to install and offer motion detection and real-time alerts too. And most of these I have seen nowadays are like just plug and play. You just plug it and they start playing. You don't have to do much configuration or anything. Okay. Third is lighting and visibility. Motion sensor lights near entrances deter intruders because if somebody approaches, they just glow up. Outdoor solar lights are cheap and effective and it provides ample light. Okay. Now, you can have alarms, but there are alarms alternatives too, like loud bells or do it yourself alerts can scare off intruders. Even a simple DIY app based notification system works, right? Of course, and very important point is guide community awareness. If you join neighborhood watch programs or talk to neighbor and know what's happening around your area, you can have a better and formulated plan for overall security. So what I would say that guys, nowadays protecting your home is not just about like spending money, it's about strategy. Okay, a few smart investments if you make, that's gonna make your place safer. So this is what I want to discuss guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.